Now we are moving on to the next game, which is related to the fluency. Okay, it will improve or enhance your fluency. The name of this game is JAM, JAM. It is actually an acronym for just a minute. Just a minute. So let me tell you what you have to do. In this game, you will select any topic.
Yeah.
Okay, it is up to you. It is totally up to you, whatever the topic is. And then you have to speak on that topic for 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay.
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 Now, it is understandable that when you are given any topic spontaneously, you
Yeah.
do not have a lot of things related to
Yeah.
that topic in your mind.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
can just say whatever is in your mind, whether it is related to that topic, but you just try to keep speaking for 1 minute. You don't have to stop. Even
Okay.
if for example, if I'm talking about word, so and I get stuck after after a few seconds, I get stuck and I don't have anything to say. So I can say, right now I don't have anything in my mind and I'm still thinking to find out what other facts I can say or speak about on that topic, like this. Even I
Yeah.
don't have anything related to it, but I am speaking. This is the most important thing. This is the essential part of this game, that you do
Yeah.
not have to stop. You need to keep speaking. Is it understood?
Yeah. Yeah. I have understood.
So would you like to start, or should
Uh,
I do it first?
mm. You should start at first.
I should start.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me start first. I
Mm.
have chosen the topic world. Okay, and
Yeah.
I will start now. So we have this world, and in this world we have different countries. There are so many countries, almost 200 countries over here, and they are all separated. They have different borders, they have different flags, they have different national anthem as well. So we do travel from one place to another place, but we need to have passport. Most of the time when you travel, you need to have passport, and the passport is actually what helps you to travel. It is, you can say, a license, a document which can allow you to go to a different country. And different countries have different culture, different and they have different languages as well. But in order to communicate with each other, now the time is up.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
that is how
I have
I
got.
spoke for 1 minute, 1 minute, and we will start with 1 minute. And when we get fluent with it, when we have the practice, we will do it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes as well. So let me wait for a while, and then I will ask you to start, and then you have to start. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, please
Yeah.
continue.
I think our best companion is our body. Yeah. So I think that we should take care of it. Yeah. And we should listen to the experts. Yeah. And experts say that
Mhm.
we should take those types of food which can provide us nutrition. Yeah. Nutrition means different kinds of micronutrient, yeah, macronutrient, and we should avoid those types of food which have the capacity to provide only energy. Yeah, that means we should avoid junk food. We should avoid sugary juice, alcohols, yeah, etc. And there is another saying which say that health is wealth. Yeah, that means if you have health, yeah, you can invest your health to earn money, yeah, to have wealth. That's so I want to suggest everyone that we should take care of our body. Yeah, uh, because
Your time is
our
over.
body is our best. Okay.
It is my turn. So my topic is I would like to talk about books. So I think that reading book is a very good habit because books are our true companions, and we can also have a lot of knowledge by reading books. It broadens our knowledge and it increases our horizon. We learn a lot of things from it, and even if you are alone, so you can read and you can pass your time. It is better to spend time on social websites and wasting your time, because book is not a good companion, it is also a very good friend. And books can give you advice which you can use in your life, and you can enhance your life by reading books. And apart from improving your lifestyle, it can also improve your language. If you are reading a book in English, so it will provide you a lot of vocabulary, a lot of idiomatic expressions and phrasal verbs. So you know how to construct sentences, and you will in your spoken English as well. So there are so many benefits of reading books, and I think we should connect ourselves from books because it is essential, and we shouldn't waste our time like this, and we should make the most of our time by reading books. That's all.
I think you are up. Yeah.